Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to keep status in line. Now let us begin. Do note that in my previous video I had taught you guys how to sign up. Now let's simply look at how to keep the status. Well, right here at the top, just below your display name, you can see something like this called as enter a status message. Simply click on it. Else, if you do not find this section right here, just go to settings. At the top right, you can see the settings icon right near. Click on it, and that is it. From here, once again, go to profile. Click on it right now. And this is it, guys. Here is this thing called as status message. Click on it right now. And that is it. Simply enter whatever you wish. As you guys can see, I have entered it. Now all I'm gonna do is hit on save. And that is it, guys. That's how we keep a status in line. The process is quite easy. If you guys found this video informative and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.